Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to thank everybody for checking out my shorts. The latest short that I put up has over 500 views, which is just amazing. And we just hit 70 subs as well as of today. So we're only 30 away from 100, which is the new goal, which we'll be doing a giveaway at 100 subs. So everybody who watches this, just sub and enter for the giveaway. So we're gonna open this Battle Styles that I picked up from Target yesterday. There you go. Hero, Carnivine, Mawile, Spoink, Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Reverse Phalanx, and a Stonjourner non-hollow. But yeah, sub guys, thank you.